Hey guys, hope you're alright. So let's get straight into it. This is the first trade I took. It's a 35-1 during the NY Open. I entered the short here. The short was a little bit. I saw the rejection from the 24 EMA in this candle, and then I entered at the end of the candle, and then we retraced a bit higher, and the price started coming lower. I was trying to put my stop loss to break even. I did before hitting take profit one. That was a mistake. But not long after, we moved a little bit lower, even lower from there. And let's see what happens. I think I get stopped at break even in this trade. Yeah, so I got stopped at break even. So next trade, we spent a little more time here. We backtested the 24 EMA and the VWAPs, but we just rejected from the previous day equilibrium. Even though we changed market structure on the 1 minute and the 5 minute, this was a bad trade because the previous day equilibrium was a strong resistance all day long, and I just entered a long here, and the first trade was a winner. I made $20 in that trade. Had I closed the trade in profit, I would have made around $50 on both contracts. But now I enter with 3 contracts here, a little bit too big of a position size because my stop loss should have been below the previous day value low, below here, below this low. And yeah, this trade is just forcing it because we're just trending around the point of control. And let's see what happens in this trade. We spent a little more time here. I get stopped because I figured if we go below this low, we're probably not going to go higher, but I re-entered the trade because I didn't let it play out and I didn't accept risks. So I took a loss in this trade. I think it was $60. So from my initial $20 profit, now I'm underwater in my account with around $40. And at this point, I enter again because I wanted to let the trade play out and not intervene. But yeah, let's see what happened. We just went lower and lower. I did some analysis here. Let's go back a little bit. You can see the 5 minute is one time framing. This is the pivot low that I chose to set my invalidation at. We closed 2 candles above the previous day value low, but now we did reject from the previous day equilibrium here. So at this point, the trade is you can see there that I was pointing out some good trades. This was a trade that I missed that I should have taken. Yeah, but nonetheless, let's move forward. So I see another bounce to the upside. I am again in profit, but I was debating at this point should I have moved my stop loss to break even or not, and I refused to do it. And as a result, price just reversed from that point, and yeah, I lost $100 something in this trade. I lost a lot of money in that trade. Almost, I got with my account almost at 190 per account. So my daily loss limit is at 250. So from this point onward, I started trading only with 1 micro. Even though the trades were good, I started trading with 1 micro, and I think I took this trade also here, but I don't know why I didn't record it, or I just cut it at edit by mistake. But yeah, I took this trade here for $20. I should have left the runner, but I entered just with 1 micro. And right now at this point, I'm getting stopped at break even because I front ran the 24 EMA. I'm in partial profits right here, but yeah, I don't know if I took profits. Let's see if I close that trade. Hopefully I did, because I am in $50 profit at this point in this trade. Even though I front ran the 24 EMA, I did so because I didn't want to see the move without me being in it. So I was okay front running a bit because the distance between the 24 EMA and my entry wasn't that high. I should have just target these lows here with my contract. You can see that I realized that, and I'm closing for a profit. But yeah, I left like $10 on the table there. And at this point, I wanted to enter again. The same idea, front running a bit at 24 EMA, but price just, I should have waited for confirmation of visual reaction here. That was my mistake, and I paid for it because yeah, I just end up being stopped out in this trade. And yeah, I'm not in a great place at this moment. I made some profits back. I lost some profits back. but all day I've been underwater and I struggle not to hit my daily loss limit because I took those bad trades and I didn't know when to stop there. But now we backtested the 24 EMA and I get this take profit here, another winner under my belt. This is after the so during the FOMC meeting. I enter with strength here, but I just get stopped at break even. And now this is a really good trade. We backtested 24 EMA and yeah, let's see. I place my stop above the local highs here. Let's see what happens. I speed up the chart and I get stopped at break even. The move happens. It happens quite late, but nonetheless, it did happen and it was like a really beautiful move, a lot of points. But yeah, I enter again here and these entries were more based off me wanting to make money. They weren't playbook trades. I still won them, but nonetheless, I started realizing that I'm doing some bad trading at this point, and I figured, yeah, let me just scale out and figure out a way to stop trading because I'm not doing the best of the decisions. Even though the trades would have played out, my validation for this trade is not appropriate, and I'm just placing my stop to break even. And yeah, I'm taking bad trades overall, and yeah, I didn't. Even this one, you saw like I took this trade and I just get stopped out and I got annoyed about that. Then again, I enter here, I get stopped at break even. Yeah, bad trading during the latter part of the day because I wanted to make some money back. And yeah, let's see where I'm at this point. So you can see that from minus 190 per account, I made back $100. I made back different amounts because I had some lag and some accounts got filled in worse positions. So I should have had in all accounts minus 44. So I made back $150 truly, but because lag and slippage and whatnot, I got filled in different positions on different accounts. And yeah, that's why the difference here in profits. But I chose to end the day somewhere around here because yeah, the trades were just not the best, and I realized that, and I just wanted to make some money. And yeah, I was taking risky trades, stupid trades, and at the end of the day, we're here to make money and not to gamble. So I decided to end the day trading here. I just lost $40 on one account and 100 on a couple more. And yeah, yesterday I made 250, so I'm still up overall, but today wasn't my best trading day, even though I saw a lot of good setups, made some mistakes in those setups, and I entered with too big of a position size in those losers, and from there I just tried to make my losses back. And yeah, when the opportunity came, I didn't have enough of a position size to leave a runner, and therefore I just got filled on my 40 tick take profits on my one micro contracts, and that's around $20, and that's not the biggest of a profit target. Even though I won more trades I feel today than I lost, my risk management wasn't on point. And yeah, I'll just stop it here. Today was a loss. I didn't hit my daily loss limit, but still I didn't have a winning day. I finished negatively, but yeah, still in a good position overall. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.